Hi, I'm Nick Pridey with the City of Montrose Streets Department. Here at the City of Montrose, maintaining our roads is a top priority. Pothole repairs are one of the most common tasks performed by a Streets Division maintenance crew. Traditional pothole patches often fail to stand the test of time. This is largely due to Colorado's extreme freeze and thaw cycles that can displace these patches after water seeps underneath. During these cycles, water will infiltrate beneath the patch, freeze, and then expand. When the ice thaws, it leaves a gap and it leads to the patch becoming displaced. Our mission is to improve these temporary patches and make longer lasting repairs. To do this, our team is constantly exploring new methods, materials, and processes. Two new pieces of machinery we're testing are an infrared patching machine, designed to permanently patch potholes, and an asphalt recycling machine, designed to make hot asphalt year-round. By using the infrared patcher in conjunction with our asphalt recycler, we can significantly improve the quality and sustainability of our pothole repairs. Our recycler takes asphalt millings from mill and overlay projects and turns it into a reusable hot asphalt mix. This not only makes our operations more sustainable, but also results in a significant cost saving. When these two innovative technologies work together, we make a seamless, durable repair that is resistant to the effects of the freeze-thaw cycles. This means that repaired potholes will last longer, reducing the frequency of disruptive road work, providing the citizens of Montrose with the best possible road conditions. Test patches have shown remarkable wear and tear resistance, exceeding our expectations. Thanks to the impressive performance, these two machines are set to become our new standard for pothole patching. Through innovation and commitment, the City of Montrose is keeping our roads safer, smoother, and more resilient than ever. For more information about our maintenance methods and initiatives, please visit our website at cityofmontrose.org. As always, thank you for supporting our ongoing mission to maintain and improve Montrose's roads.